Instantly transferring money from Clickbank to a bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is the fastest option for US accounts, with payments typically arriving within 1 to 3 business days after the payment date. However, keep in mind that the payment date itself happens every other Friday, 2 days after the pay period ends. While not instant, wire transfers are processed quicker than ACH payments, reaching your bank account within 24 to 48 hours. However, Clickbank charges a hefty $45 fee for this service, making it practical for only larger amounts. To request a wire transfer, you will need to contact Clickbank support directly. Some external platforms claim to facilitate faster Clickbank withdrawals, often using cryptocurrency or other intermediary steps. Proceed with caution regarding these services, as some might be scams or have hidden fees. Thoroughly research any third-party option before entrusting them with your funds.